Salut les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to learn about the prepositions which are used with the cities, the countries and the continents. We have done the vocabulary of the countries and continents. I'm sharing the link over here. Kindly visit the link and watch and learn the vocabulary of the countries and the continents. So the first rule is that when we are talking about going to or living in or working in or being from a country, state, province, city, or continent, we use these prepositions, these four prepositions. This means en, this means in, and it is pronounced as en. O, it also means in, a, this is also a preposition, and o. I'm just giving you the pronunciations. So, en is used before a feminine country. We already know that a feminine country is a country which ends with a vowel e, or if the country starts with a vowel. Suppose the country is feminine, that is France. It is ending with a e, so this is a feminine country. And if the country is starting with a vowel, suppose Iraq, this is the preposition over here will be used as en. If the country is masculine, suppose the country is Nepal, so we will use o with this country. Suppose the city which we are referring to is Pari, so we will use this particular preposition a. And if the country is, suppose, Philippines, that is a plural country, so we will use the preposition o with it. Now we are going to do some exercise and we will use these particular prepositions over here in this fill in the blanks. Je vais Paris. Paris is a city. The pronunciation is Paris. So with city we use the preposition a. Je vais à Paris. I am going to Paris. The second one is Tu n'habites pas France. Now, France is a feminine country, so we will use en. Tu n'habites en France. Il travaille dash Canada. Canada is a masculine country, so we will use o. Il travaille au Canada. Nous ne voyageons pas États-Unis. It is a plural country. So for plural country, we will use O. Vous étudiez Japon. Japon is a masculine country. So we will use O. Elles vont dash and. And is India. It is a country which is starting with a vowel. So we will use en. Ils ne vont pas dash Pays-Bas. Pays-Bas is Netherlands, which is a plural country. So we will use O. Il voyage dash Asie. Asie means Asia. It is a continent, but it is starting with a vowel. So we will use en. Il voyage en Asie. So these are the sentences which I wanted to discuss. And these are the prepositions which you have to use by following the particular rule. The rule is that when we are talking about going in or living in or working in or being from a country, state, continent, city, province, we will use this particular category of prepositions. Now we are moving on to the second category of prepositions which are used for saying that I am coming from this country. So the three prepositions which are used here are the or the apostrophe, d apostrophe, the or d apostrophe, due, and they. These are the pronunciations. All of these means from, and whenever we say that we are coming from a particular place, city, or continent, or any province or state, we generally use the verb venir. I'm sharing the link of the verb venir where we have conjugated the verb in affirmation and negation. Kindly watch the video and understand how it is used in the formation of sentence also. So when we are talking about coming from or being from a state, country, continent, city, or province, we use these category of preposition. So the first one is that the or d apostrophe is used when we use are used when we are coming from a feminine country. Suppose again France. City, you can say Mumbai or Lucknow, any city. Any French city is Lyon. Pronunciation over here is Lyon. So we will use this preposition the or the apostrophe. Due is used with a masculine country. Suppose Bhutan, which is Bhutan. And they is used before a plural country. Suppose any plural country we can take. Philippines, Zetazuni, or any country, Netherlands, Paiba, or any plural country we can take. Seychelles can also be taken. So, the first sentence is Je ne viens pas Italie. The pronunciation here is Italy. Since it is starting with a vowel, it is a feminine country, and we will use D apostrophe. And it is ending with a E also. So it is a feminine country. D apostrophe will be used since it is starting with a vowel I. Je ne viens pas d'Italie. Tu viens France. Again, it is a feminine country, so we will use the. Il vient Bhutan. So the pronunciation is Bhutan. Since it is a masculine country, we will use due here. Due is used before a masculine country. Valérie ne vient pas Australie. It is ending with E, so it is a feminine country and it is starting with a vowel A. So we will use D apostrophe, which is the first type of preposition. D apostrophe is used with a feminine country. Fifth one, nous venons dash États-Unis. So here, this is a plural country. We will use they. Nous venons des États-Unis because of the liaison rule. S will get connected with this E and the pronunciation is des États-Unis. Sixth one, vous ne venez pas. The pronunciation over here is Nepal. We have to put a accent aigu over here, and it is a masculine country, so we will use due. Vous ne venez pas du Nepal. L vien dash Philippines. It is a plural country. We just have to figure out the gender and the number of the country, and then we will be able to understand which particular preposition is going to be used accordingly. We will use that particular preposition. Elle vient des Philippines. The last one is elle vient dash Europe. It is starting with this particular continent is starting with a letter E, so we will use D apostrophe. The pronunciation will be d'Europe. This will be the pronunciation, and these are the sentences which I wanted to discuss with all of you with these category of prepositions which I used when we are coming from a particular place. So this is all for today. Kindly like the video and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates, so that whenever I share any category of vocabulary or any grammar video, you are able to get the notification ASAP. Atre, bientôt.